Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are by the Kingston waterfront in downtown Kingston. Today we are going to talk about the City of Kingston sign. Now, the city is putting up a sign to say welcome to the City of Kingston. Its signs are very popular now. But originally, the city wanted to put the sign in the Kingston Harbour, which is a harbour we're looking at now. Which, now that we think about it, might actually be a good idea. So, guys, let us know what you think about putting the sign in the harbor. Now, every town, city has a sign up. And they're very popular. The Montego Bay sign, the Bull Bay sign, the Negril sign. Every time you drive by, people are actually stopping and taking pictures by the sign. Now, Kingston is the capital of Jamaica, the capital. So it's only natural they should have one of the nicer signs. Now, you wouldn't be able to go into the Kingston Harbour and take a picture on the sign, but you could stay right here on this beautiful boardwalk that was built. And if the sign is structured properly, you could actually stand on the boardwalk and have the sign in the background. It would be very popular. There's parking out here. There's literally a boardwalk you can walk on. So I think they should revisit the putting the sign in the harbor. Now I'm going to read a part of an article. Senator Williams said the sign will tie into the transformation of the waterfront and the general downtown redevelopment. Where we wanted to put the sign was in the harbor. That was our original thought. But as you know, that is quite an expensive venture that we could not undertake. So we are putting the sign on land, he said. So originally, they wanted to do it, but it's the cost. They never specified how much it would cost to put it in the harbor. But I mean, today things are going so well in Jamaica. They're trying to transform Kingston into a tourist area. So maybe they should revisit the location of the sign. Now we're going to go through some more on the placing of the sign. Plans are advanced for the erection of a City of Kingston sign in the vicinity of the waterfront, downtown Kingston. The sign is intended to promote the city as a desirable visitor destination, business location, and a place to call home. We have been working on a City of Kingston sign since 2017. We put out our first design on social media to invite the public to participate. We received a lot of recommendations and feedback which we have incorporated into what the sign is now, the mayor said. He informed that dialogue has been undertaken with representatives from the Urban Development Corporation, central government, the Port Authority of Jamaica, as well as private sector partners regarding the erection of the sign. We really want to get this sign up as fast as we can, and I believe that we are pushing to have it within months now. Of course, we would have to start the process of procurement, he said. Alright, so that's the latest on the sign. Now, since this article came out, there has been an election for local government. So the persons that form the KSAMC have changed. There is a new leader of the corporation, a new mayor. So hopefully this new administration will look back at the placement of the sign and maybe it might be put in the harbor. So guys, let us know what you think. Do you think they should put the sign in the harbor? Alright guys, leave your comments in the section below. We're actually driving on Port Royal Street now through downtown Kingston. That building on the left is actually owned by J. Ray and Nephew, and they have plans to renovate it. A lot of buildings down here are going to be renovated. Alright, guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.